Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review of resume.io by career.io. Now what resume.io is all about is that it's an online platform designed to help job seekers create professional resumes and cover letters. Its key features include user-friendly resume builder, customizable templates, pre-written content suggestions, real-time editing and preview, ATS automation alerts, cover letter builder, job tracker, AI-powered interview simulator, professional headshot editor, download options. That means you have the ability to download resumes in various formats, though free plan options are actually limited. Resume sharing, which is option to share resume via link, and career resources include blog articles and videos with career advice. So you can see what more things I mentioned. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try. Go to resume.io today.